standard 8th standard in Spignagar High Secondary School. I am a captain of this team.
I am Tanviti. I am studying 7th standard in Spitnag High Secondary School. I am an active member of the team.
I am Tangarajan. I am studying 7th standard in Spitnag Higher Secondary School and the active member of the team. Our motto is to help farmers because farmers are the backbone of India.
If farmers do not do farming, there will be no food.
In helping way of farmers, we invented a machine called pH level tester. It is useful to test the soil pH level and say the result in this LCD. If there is no pH level tester this machine, they want to test their soil in the city soil test lab. The city is away from the village. They want to travel many kilometers and come to city and test their soil. It is very hard. If they have this machine, they can test their soil easily in their home. We used pH level tester, LCD to display the results, and this box is tinkered in our 3D printer in our adult tinkering lab. This is a prototype model and is useful for farmers. Let's demonstrate. Here we have 5 types of soil. This is our pH level tester. Now we can dip the pH sensor into the soil. We can on the switch. You can see that the pH value is reading. The pH value is 8.27. If we plant any crops, it won't grow because the 8.29 is the highest high pH value. Now we can dip it into soil. Now the pH value is 8.86. This is also high, so no crops can be grown in this plant. Now we can dip it into the soil. Now the pH value of this soil is 9.15. So if any crops are planted in this soil, it won't grow. Now we can dip it into the soil. It was reading. The pH level is 8.12. Now we can dip it in this soil. In this soil, cabbage, mustard, okra, onion, pea, spinach, sunflower can be planted. You can see when we dip into this soil, it was showing recommended crops in which the pH level is low. The crops which are suitable can be displayed in this LCD. Thank you.